Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited to have you join us today. So let me ask you, have you heard about quick commerce? Well, if not, you're in for a treat, because in today's video, we're diving into something that's quickly becoming one of the hottest opportunities for online entrepreneurs. Quick Commerce Profits Mastery, a PLR package designed to help you dive straight into this booming industry without any hassle. So grab a seat and let's get right into it. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is quick commerce and why is everyone talking about it? Quick commerce, or Q-commerce for short, is revolutionizing how businesses operate today. It's all about delivering products, groceries, essentials, and pretty much everything else. Super fast, sometimes within an hour, meeting the instant gratification demands of consumers. You've seen it, right? That demand for "I need it now" delivery options is growing fast, and it's not just a trend, it's a shift in the way we shop. The market is expanding, and the potential here is huge. According to experts, the quick commerce industry is projected to grow exponentially in the coming years, potentially reaching billions in market value. And that's why Quick Commerce Profits Mastery is a game changer for anyone looking to cash in on this wave. Let's talk about what exactly comes with this PLR package, because it's packed with everything you need to not only get started in quick commerce, but also to scale up quickly. First off, you get 5 high-quality training videos that cover all the strategies you'll need to succeed. These videos are designed to be beginner-friendly. So even if you're new to the game, you'll be able to follow along and implement these strategies with ease. These videos break down everything from setting up your business to mastering the marketing techniques that work in this industry. Along with the videos, you get a comprehensive training guide that's been crafted by industry experts. This guide is really the backbone of the package because it walks you through the steps to building your quick commerce business in detail. You're not left guessing what to do next. The guide gives you clear, actionable steps, so you'll always know exactly where to focus your energy and how to build a strong foundation. But that's not all. You'll also get 5 audio files, 5 raw video files, and even expert presentation slides in PPT format. Whether you prefer learning by listening or watching, there's something here for you. These extra files make sure you have the content in the format that works best for you. Now, one of the most powerful things about this PLR package is the marketing resources it includes. Whether you're launching a new brand or growing your current business, you need top-tier marketing materials, and this package has got you covered. You'll get high-converting sales copy, professionally written email swipes, animated banners, social media graphics, and even professional mini sites. All of these are ready to use right out of the box. Think about how much time and effort that saves you. You don't need to hire a designer, copywriter, or marketer to get started. Everything is set up and ready for you to take action. All you need to do is plug in your brand and start promoting. And there's more. This PLR package comes with legal pages, PDF graphics, chapter images, cheat sheets, mind maps, and even a top resources report. If you're serious about building a business, these extra resources are invaluable because they help you stay organized and ensure that your business is both professional and legally sound. So why should you consider Quick Commerce Profits Mastery? Well, let's talk about the huge opportunity here. Quick commerce is not a fleeting trend. It's a shift in how people shop and what they expect from businesses. With the demand for fast delivery services increasing every day, now is the perfect time to tap into this market. And with PLR rights, you get the added benefit of being able to rebrand and resell the content as your own. That means you keep 100% of the profits, and you don't have to reinvent the wheel to get started. One of the best things about this PLR package is how quickly you can get up and running. You don't need to spend months trying to figure things out. Everything is done for you, from the training to the marketing materials. You get a complete business-in-a-box solution. So if you've been waiting for that perfect opportunity to break into the online business world, this could be it. At the end of the day, Quick Commerce Profits Mastery is a solid investment for anyone looking to capitalize on the growing quick commerce industry. With the right training, tools, and resources, you'll be able to set yourself up for success and start generating profits fast. If you've been thinking about diving into the world of e-commerce, or you're already in the game and want to take your business to the next level, this package gives you the resources you need to do it. All right, that's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.